Are you getting ready for your exams? Let me give you 5 powerful tips to help you study smarter, not harder. Tip 1. Revise and practice. Go over your notes regularly. Practice with past papers to understand the question patterns and boost your confidence. Tip 2. Plan your study time. Create a daily schedule. Break down subjects into manageable parts and set goals for each session. Tip 3. Avoid distractions. Switch off your phone or use focus apps. Choose a quiet place where your mind can fully concentrate. Tip 4. Take breaks and sleep well. Don't overwork yourself. Take short breaks and ensure you get enough sleep to recharge your brain. Tip 5. Learn with others. Discuss lessons with friends or teach what you've learned. It's a great way to strengthen your memory. Use these 5 tips and you'll be exam ready in no time. Like, share, and follow for more educational tips. Thanks for watching video.